from Florence, Azria. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make a yogurt cake. You can serve anytime during the day. This is my Preheat recipe book with all my recipes. This is all the cakes. Then here I have the mousse and the bigger cakes. So we're gonna do that yogurt cake, which is the most simple thing to do ever. Let's do it. In front of me, I have eggs, apples, yogurt, baking powder, sugar and flour, and oil. Measuring every ingredient and following the recipe to the T is very important. Baking is precise. It's not like cooking where you can throw everything all over the place. So here we're gonna crack 3 eggs. So now adding the sugar, 150 grams. I do everything in gram because I'm Française and it's much easier for me. I'm gonna beat it at very high speed because I want it to create sort of a swirl, we call that un ruban in French, which is, we translate by a ribbon. Perfect, 150 grams, very high speed. While I'm beating the eggs, I'm gonna measure my other ingredients. So I use oil, vegetable oil, 100 milliliter. It's light and half, and now I'm gonna add gently the oil. High speed again. So now the consistency and the color is perfect. So now I'm gonna add the yogurt. So yogurt is 125 grams. Greek plain yogurt. Now I'm gonna incorporate this to this. And I'm gonna keep on mixing it at high speed. Now I'm gonna add the flour and baking powder. Little ping bowl, 200 grams of flour. Again, precision is everything, is the key. Now, I love this French baking powder just because it's already pre-conditioned and it's 11 grams, exactly what I need. And then I'm gonna sift it. So, I'm gonna add the mixed flour and baking powder. So I do it 1 scoop at a time. Again. So today I'm gonna use apples just because of the season and it's easy, they were readily available. You can use any type of fruit you want. And then slice it. So now the apple are going in this bowl. Now we want to leave the butter and I'm gonna add the apples. So the apple go in the butter, lifting to make sure not to break the fruit. Now the tricky part, you know how French love our butter. And now transferring the butter into the pan. See how the apples, it comes together. You want to do it evenly so it's prettier, right? When it comes out of the oven, it's clean and dry and beautiful. You don't want any burn-like thing around. Now it's going into the oven, 350 convection for about 30 minutes. Let's do it. Ready for the final result? Golden and beautiful. Let's check it out. Fully dry, mission accomplished. Let it cool down for a little bit, and then we're gonna take it off the mold. Voila! Thank you for joining me in my kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel. Au revoir.